Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my reaction for another reaction video. So guys, we're gonna be doing the ATEEZ music video to this song Dreamers. Someone sent it to me and I was like, oh, let me listen to it. I really do like ATEEZ. I think they're very good artists and I like their music sound. I think it sounds different than everybody else, so I love me some ATEEZ. This kind of seemed like a slow ballad, so I'm not gonna give them too much. Oh, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la. I can see it. Come on, lighting.
Superpower おめに変わるのは自分次第君次第誰にも止められないより Breaking my game kind of limit
Love that purple. I like this chorus. Dreamers, ooh la la, 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 ooh la la. Everything's so colorful, so clean. Ooh, nice transition. Be the dreamers. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Oh, I like his voice. Dreamers, ooh la la, 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 ooh la la. Love the blonde hair. Dreamer. I'm a dreamer. Okay, ATEEZ. You guys got me for this one. Yes, ATEEZ. This was a very good song. I like it. Very cute, easy to follow. Something I could get into very easily. I really do like this. Very good job, ATEEZ. Very good job. This was the music video to Dreamers. I really do like it. Like I said over before, I give the group their credit because I think they sound different than everybody else and it sets them apart. So really good job. I really do like this song. This song I will add it to my playlist on Spotify, iTunes, and Tidal. Good job. So thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.